Like, I remember building this thing and we finished in the dark. And I had my buddy Reese was like, well, somebody has to hit it, and he just hit it in the dark, blind. It was so sketchy. I got a photo of it somewhere. There isn't a lot of old bobs left in terms of physical structure. The spirit of the trail is still here, like that fast, big, flowy style of trail, but like I wanted to reimagine it in 2022. When we started on the rebuild, Bob's was in rough shape. The dirt boxes were falling apart. They'd been up here for like 10 years, some of them. It was just gonna become another relic in the bush. I was approached by the Nanaimo Mountain Bike Club and asked if, they asked me what I would do. They're like, hey, are you even interested in this? But Bob's held such a special place for me that when they asked me what I would do, I started thinking about it, and then you start thinking about things and you're like, oh man, that could be really cool. And once the idea took hold, I was like, oh, I think we kind of have to do that. I feel like it really rejuvenated this part of the trail network. It's been really neat to see people back in this corner of the trail network again and linking it together in loops, because that's one of the things I love about Doumont and a lot of the trail networks in Nanaimo is you can do these like wild loops of all kinds of different trails. Like Aesop is over there and it's rocky and technical, and then Bob's is right here and it's flowy and big jumps, and you can do both those trails in an afternoon quite easily. Like, you don't have to be superhuman. And I've been here as like young ripper kids on like small little, I don't even know how big the wheels are, like those small little kids bikes, and they're shredding. They're all hanging out, pushing up the hill, and the beginner riders are having fun just pumping the rolls and just riding something with no bumps on it or roots. Like, that's still pretty cool. I still get a kick out of that. The club saw in Bob's that it was an opportunity to build something that was that like next notch up, and it's still accessible. Like, you can still roll everything, but it's fast and it's big, and that was what they wanted. That was one of the design mandates right off the top, was like, we want it to stay big and stay fast. If you like fast trails with bigger hits, big berms, big rollers, that's what Bob's is all about. Nanaimo is the best kept secret of the Vancouver Island mountain bike scene. Everybody I've told to ride Nanaimo freaking loved it. without fail. Yeah, you gotta come check out Nanaimo. It's really cool.